The 1% rule is actually a rule of thumb used by the real estate investors which states that the expected rental income from an investment should be at least 1% of the purchase price. So, putting another way, like if the rent should be at least 1% of the purchase price over and above any mortgage payments. So if we already take out the mortgage payments and taxes and insurance and other expenses and all that, for example, then if we purchase a property for, let's say, $200,000, the expected rental income should be at least $2,000 per month that we are able to get, which will pay the expenses and so on. It's always good to really say, is it a 1% property, 1% rule, where we could rent it at 1% of the purchase price, or we could rent it at 2% of the purchase price, which is a very attractive property. If we are able to rent it at $4,000 and we are paying only $2,000 for the property, which is exciting. It must be in a good growing market and people are willing to pay, that kind of rent. So that's a pretty good deal. That's a 2% rule, but 1% is 1% of the purchase price.